Whether you're craving for an awe-inspiring sunset, longing to stick your toes into a fine white sand, or dreaming diving and jumping into turquoise waters in some steep cliffs, well, surely you'll get all these somewhere in Southeast Asia. In this episode, we'll feature some of the best destinations within the region, drone shot compilations from eco-creators across the globe. Welcome to randeetravels. Today, we will list down some of the top-rated beach destinations across the region. But before that, be sure to hit subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos. First up, Phi Phi Islands, Thailand. If you are into beach parties, Peepee is the best place to be. Made famous by the movie of Lenardo, caprio's The Beach, it is one of the biggest destinations in the country. Sadly, it was destroyed by tsunami back in 2004, and since then, the island experienced a massive rehabilitation. Many say the main island is overdeveloped and overpriced, but hey, hundreds of thousands of people visited each year and loved it. Kelingking Beach, Indonesia. More than 400,000 photos in Instagram, ranked second in 2019 TripAdvisor's Traveler's Choice Awards out of 25 best beaches in Asia and 19th out of 25 best beaches in the world. Gilligan Beach in Indonesia is undoubtedly one of the best. Access to the beach is possible, but it's not recommended for those who have heart problem or other serious medical conditions. The cliffs are rocky and lack any sort of clear walking paths or handholds, so you better be careful as you make your way to the top. Despite of the challenging trail, many tourists are still flocking to witness its beauty. El Nido Philippines. El Nido in the Philippines is one of the regulars in the top islands and beaches in some of the world's respected travel magazines like Lesiure magazine and National Geographic Traveler. In fact, it ranked as 5th in 24 best island beaches in the world by Conde Nast Traveler readers in their 2019 Readrs Choice Awards. A protected area, El Nido is a treasure where marine life and spectacular seascapes thrive. Although a first-class municipality, El Nido remains a quiet town, at least for now. In 2019, the local government together with the Department of Environment and Natural Resources started a rehabilitation program in some areas. Hopefully, this move would help sustain the tourism industry and at the same time protect the environment. Tropical as it is, Southeast Asia is indeed a haven and is one of the best beaches in the world. From Thailand, Indonesia, and the Philippines. Do you know some best islands and beaches in your country? Comment below and don't forget to hit subscribe and ring the bell to get notified of our next videos.